Hi everyone, I am your teacher Zahid, and in this class I am going to teach you some basic English. So let's get started. What is alphabet? The alphabet is a set of words or symbols in a fixed order used for writing a language. These letters make words and words make sentences. Definition of letter: a letter is a written or printed sign representing a sound used in speech. For example, B is the second letter of the alphabet. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are 26 letters in English alphabet: A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels and sometimes Y used as a vowel. These letters are divided in two kinds. Number one is vowels and number two is consonants. A speech sound in which the mouth is open and the tongue is not touching the top of mouth, the teeth. In English, the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Okay. A speech sound made by completely or partly stopping the flow of air being breathed out through the mouth. A letter of the alphabet that represents a consonant sound. For example, B, C, D, F, etc. All letters except vowels are called consonants. A word is a meaningful combination of letters. It is a single unit of language which means something and can be spoken or written. For example, beauty, love, speech, success. Now, what is phrase? A phrase is a group of words that make sense but not complete sense. A phrase does not contain a subject or a finite verb. For example, the green car on Friday morning on the table. Now, what is clause? A clause is a group of words that has a subject and a finite verb and forms a sentence of part of a sentence. For example, they often go to Lahore because they love the food. Lahore is a city name, okay? In this sentence, they often go to Lahore is the main clause. Because they love food is a subordinate. Both the clauses have their own subjects and finite verbs. There is a subject in both the clauses, and go to Lahore and love the food are the finite verbs or predicates. For example, I saw a boy who was sleeping. God helps those who help themselves.